What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jupiter, which has pumped up, as you can see, 10% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just about half a cent at 0.00532 cents. So we're going to be going through the usual: is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it simply time to hold on to the crypto, and mainly looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high or how low can Jupiter go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023, as there has been a lot of comments around this crypto, both positive and negative. So I'm going to give you guys my view on it, my take. Have I invested into it, have I not, so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours, as you can see, just about 0.07% up, which is nothing major at all. And we do have Jupiter as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, in the last hour, it has pumped up just about 3% in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 16%. Over the week, 5%. And over the month, there's an overall 10% down. As you guys can see, consistently dropping in value over the last 4 weeks. And major drops here, especially earlier on this week. But right now, it has pumped up in value. Overall, it was about 22% down. But because of today's pump, it has only been down 10% overall. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 680%, making it $564,000 in trading, which is a major percentage increase. Again, it has pumped up after quite a while, especially after the major drop that's been taking place over the last 4 weeks. It's pumped up, so most people are going back into Jupiter. There's more buyers, there are more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has pumped up quite a bit after a very long time. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter, which is here in purple at 0.005403 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.005577 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected, but it is very close to the SMA indicator as well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer. As usual, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here that the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect an overall minimal increase in value, but again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Potentially hitting just about 0.0058 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, guys, do expect red candles in between as well. Do expect it to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, as you can see, we are not looking too realistic, guys. We got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and it is looking quite steep as well, meaning it is not realistic at all. As I mentioned plenty of times before, guys, whenever you see the MACD indicator looking steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here. So again, over the next 7 to 8 days, let's say towards the end of next week, what I am expecting from Jupiter is an overall drop in value. And again, guys, nothing major, but it is likely to start dropping in value quite a bit over the coming days. But again, do expect green days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump here and there, but again, the red days are very likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Jupiter over the next 7 to 8 days, exactly like what's been happening over the last couple of weeks, as you can see, consistently dropping in value, and it is likely to follow a similar pattern over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late September 2023, what can we expect? As you guys can clearly see, the blue and the orange line, in this case, they're both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jupiter over the next approximately 2 months, guys, and hopefully we should be able to hit the 1 cent target by that time. But again, it's going to be a slow and steady process, and I'm saying it's going to hit 1 cent in the next 2 months, guys, so we're going to have to give it a bit of time. But the reason I'm expecting it to hit 2 cents, sorry, not 2 cents, 1 cent, is because I'm also expecting the crypto market to go through quite of a bull run, meaning Bitcoin should be able to head above $35,000 over the next 2 to 3 months is what my predictions are. But again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, anything can happen, and that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect, what to predict from the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, over the short term is not looking too great, but over the long term, guys, I'm expecting slow and steady increases from Jupiter. So that is why when it comes to short term, especially when a crypto is pumping right now, it looks like it's doing very well. As you can see, 16% up. Most people will go and invest into it because they think they can make that quick money, especially short term traders. However, personally, that's not a good idea because, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting the crypto to slowly drop in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. But yeah, this is my take and my predictions on Jupiter, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys expect, or even the lowest figure you guys expect Jupiter to be hitting in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And if you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.